Hello everyone. So today we are going to start the classification of fungi. Here is the picture where you find the four major categories like Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, Deuteromycetes, and also the examples are also placed in each column. बेटा एक बात का ध्यान रखना, इनके pronunciation, इनके writing of spellings are very important. So right from the beginning you must be sure about each and every thing. So in the Phycomycetes you can see Saprolegnia, Rhizopus, Mucor, Albugo, Pythium. In Ascomycetes, yeast, Aspergillus, Penicillium, Neurospora, Pezaiza. In Basidiomycetes, Agaricus, Polyporus, Puccinia, Astilago, Lycoperdon. And in Deuteromycetes, you find Cercospora, Colitotrichum, Trichoderma, Pyricularia, Fusarium. So these are different examples of the different groups found in the fungi. Look, we have already studied about the major characteristics or common characteristics of all the members of fungi. Here we have to see the examples as well as some specific features of the different fungi, whether they are placed in any of the group, whether it is Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. All are these given a specific name due to their characters, right? So we begin with the Phycomycetes. So we begin with the Phycomycetes. These members are found in aquatic habitat or on the decaying wood in moist and damp places, or they are also found on the plant bodies, right? So here you can see the very famous example Rhizopus, bread mold, bread के ऊपर ये fungi लगा देता है. So their mycelium is aseptate and cenocytic. Now look, every character cannot be displayed in each video. So you all know that what is the meaning of aseptate and cenocytic, right? This is a cenocytic mycelium or aseptate mycelium where septa are absent and multinucleate condition is observed. Here you can see the sporangium, sporangiospores. We have already discussed about all these things. What are sporangia? The structure which contains spores inside. This is the way of reproduction in them, asexual reproduction. Then after, they have different modes of reproduction like isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy, where fusion of gametes take place, right? So this is all about the Phycomycetes. Now we move on to the Ascomycetes. Now we are moving on to the Ascomycetes, and here you can see the picture of mycelium of penicillin, the very famous fungi which provided the antibiotic, major antibiotic penicillin, the life-saving drug. Here they are coming under the Ascomycetes group. They are terrestrial, ज़मीन पर रह सकते हैं, aquatic पानी में मिल सकते हैं, plant animal की body पे मिल सकते हैं. Their hyphae is branched and septate. They are saprophytic decomposers, coprophilous, they grow on dung, and they have special structures that we call conidiophores. You can see in this diagram at the top, conidiophores, where they form conidia to reproduce. They have special structures, also call them ascocarp. Due to this ascocarp structure, they are called as Ascomycetes. Ascus means होता है बैग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. इस एस्कोकार्प के अंदर लगते हैं स्पोर्स. क्या लगते हैं? स्पोर्स लगते हैं. Here you see the structure of ascocarp, and we are having inner view. Inside the ascocarp you can see different stages of the sexual reproduction like plasmogamy, karyogamy, zygote formation, meiosis and mature ascus. एक सिर्फ एस्कस हमने इसमें दिखाया, बिल्कुल राइट कॉर्नर टॉप पर आप देखिए. ये आपको तब समझ में आएगा जब आप अपने सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन वाले टॉपिक को दोबारा से पढ़ेंगे. सो यू ऑल नो दैट प्लाज्मोगेमी, कैरियोगेमी एंड मियोसिस आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट इन द सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. तो दीज आर द एस्कस या एसाई इनको बोलते हैं. इसके राइट में आप देख सकते हैं, बिल्कुल राइट कॉर्नर में एक मैच्योर एस्कस है. इस एस्कस के अंदर एस्कोस्पोर्स लगे हुए हैं. एक एक स्पोर आगे चल के एक न्यू फंगस को प्रोड्यूस करता है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट एस्कोमाइसिटीज. इट कंटेन्स वेरी फेमस मेंबर्स, न्यूरोस्पोरा क्रासा, genetically experimented fungi, and yeast. Now we are moving into the next group, that is Basidiomycetes. this is due to the formation of basidium. The structure that you see in front of you is of a mushroom. आप सब जानते हैं मशरूम के बारे में, इसकी वेजिटेबल्स भी बनती हैं, होटल्स रेस्टोरेंट्स में, घर पे भी बनाते हैं, बट बी अवेयर ऑफ इट, ओके, क्योंकि ये डिस्टर्बिंग भी हो सकता है, पॉइजनस भी हो सकता है. यहाँ पर मैंने इसको इन्वर्ट कर दिया है, उल्टा भी आप इसको देख सकते हैं. सो दिस इज अबाउट द बेसिडियोमाइसीटीज. Here you see the basidiomycotes include the common mushroom. Basidium is a little pedestal, ठीक है, छोटा सा pedestal लगता है. And here you can see the structure pilus, डायग्राम में देखिए राइट साइड. एंड गिल्स, जो छोटी छोटी लाइंस आपको नज़र आती हैं उन्हें हम गिल्स कहते हैं. सपोर्टिव स्टॉक हैं. इनफैक्ट ये बेसिडियो कार्प है जिसके अंदर बेसिडियो स्पोर्स लगेंगे. मैं आपको एक पिक्चर दिखाता हूँ जिसमें बहुत इनसाइड आपको बेसिडियो स्पोर्स देखने को मिलेंगे. ये जो राइट साइड में आप देख रहे हैं, मैंने छोटा सा हिस्सा निकाल के एनलार्ज कर लिया है. ये बेसिडियो स्पोर्स आपको दिख रहे हैं, बिल्कुल छोटे छोटे, और जिस पर लगे हुए हैं उस स्ट्रक्चर को बोलते हैं हम बेसिडियम. व्हाट वी कॉल देम बेसिडियम. तो जिस स्ट्रक्चर को आप लाइव देखते हैं वो ऊपर उसकी जो बॉडी होती है, फ्रूटिंग बॉडी, वो उसका बेसिडियो कार्प है इनफैक्ट, जिसमें स्पोर्स लगते हैं, ठीक है ना. तो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बेसिडियोमाइसीटीज मेंबर. हियर वी हैव द फोर्थ ग्रुप called Deuteromycetes. This is famous for his specific character that their sexual reproduction is still unknown and they are called as fungi imperfectite, right? So like this way we finish our 4 major groups of fungi. Here again I am showing you the picture which is providing you about the information of different members of fungi that is coming under Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. In the further section I will be providing you certain pictures of the very famous members. But listen dear all students, this is your duty to learn about the different characters, to note down in your copy and in your register, where you can write and you can learn many more times. Okay, so these are the members. Even you can search it on Google as well. So you will find the pictures. I am providing you as much as possible and little information about them also. Here you can see the effect of the member of Phycomycetes, that is Rhizopus, that we call the bread mold. Okay, this is a very common feature if you do not use the bread within the limited time. So this is a member of Phycomycetes that we call Rhizopus. Look, in this picture we have drawn the fungi on the bread itself. Okay, you can see the sporangium, spores and rhizoids, as well as the spores coming out from the sporangium. So this is all about the Phycomycetes group. So here you can see the bread and number of bakery products like pizza, burger and all. They are just because of the result of the yeast. Okay, a member of Ascomycetes. So we move on to the Ascomycetes. So here is the picture of yeast. We have already seen that when we talked about the budding. यही वो मेंबर है जिससे बहुत सारे बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए जाते हैं, बहुत सारे लिकर प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए जाते हैं जिसको हम अल्कोहल कहते हैं. सो दिस इज द फेमस मेंबर ऑफ Ascomycetes. Okay, here you can see the famous member Agaricus of the group Basidiomycetes, a very famous member generally called as mushroom. They can be of different types. Okay, so you can see the another picture of that. Here you see the famous Agaricus, how beautiful it looks. So there are different types of Agaricus or mushrooms available in nature, right? Here is a member of Deuteromycetes, Pyricolaria. It causes diseases in rice, paddy, चावल के अंदर ये बीमारी बना देते हैं. And they are very famous, known as fungi imperfecti, as their sexual reproductive stage is not confirmed. So this is enough for today. Thank you.